In this video, I will be showing you how to create a 60th birthday invitation in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I'll head over to the Templates tab. I'm looking for invitations, so I'll click that category and start browsing the various layouts. I want something clean and modern, so I'll scroll down until I find a style that catches my eye. This black and white birthday template looks like a great base, so I'll select it and click Customize this template to open the editor. The first thing I'll do is change the milestone. I click on the large numbers and type in 60. I'll also reposition the text slightly to balance the top of the design. Now I want to replace the photo with someone who fits the new age. I'll go to the sidebar and search for a photo of an older man. I'll scroll through the results until I find a photo with a friendly vibe. This smiling portrait is perfect, so I'll drag it over the existing image to replace it. I'll take a moment to resize the frame and adjust the crop to make sure the subject is centered correctly in the layout. I'll also nudge the background elements around to make sure the composition feels balanced. Now it's time to update the personal details. I'll click on the name and change it to Randy's birthday. Then I'll move down to the event details. I'll change the date to May 16th and adjust the time to 8 p.m. I'll make some quick adjustments to the spacing of the text blocks to ensure everything is easy to read and looks professional. To finish the design, I want to add a small decorative touch. I'll search for a minimalist party popper in the graphics section. Once I find one I like, I'll drop it into the design. I'll flip the graphic horizontally and scale it down so it sits nicely in the bottom corner. And just like that, we've transformed a basic template into a personalized 60th birthday invitation.